Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I will be guiding you through how to delete your account for imToken. So let's get started right away. imToken does not offer a direct way to delete your account. This is primarily due to security concerns, as deleting your account could lead to permanent loss of access to your cryptocurrency assets. So if you want to get rid of your account, you will need to go ahead and delete your application from your device. But before that, make sure to open your imToken app and make sure to back up your security phrases. From the main homepage of your wallet, go ahead and tap on My Profile at the bottom right and then tap on Manage Your Wallet. Go ahead and tap on the Manage button on the next page at the top right corner and then tap on Backup Wallet. Enter your password in order to reveal your backup phrases, and once it is revealed, make sure to keep a copy of your backup phrases in a piece of paper in the correct order. Once you back up your wallet, you can now go ahead and tap on the Quit button and tap on Confirm to delete. Enter your wallet's password in the text box and tap on Confirm. Soon after you do that, you will be able to delete your wallet for imToken. So that is how it's easily done. You can get back to your wallet whenever you want, as long as you have your backup phrases. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.